Hey guys, it's Scott, and I'm here today to do another painting video for you. And like always, keep subscribing to that channel and hit that little like button for me. I appreciate it. And today is the 21st of March 2024, and this will be my 120th video for you today. And today's painting will be, I will try to paint a little seascape for you today. So let's get to it. And I'm going to go ahead and wet this top portion down. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole top portion up here with this little white paint. Of course, this will help me blend in my sky a little better. A little more easier. Something like this here, no problem with that. It's easy to do. I'm just going to wipe off the whole excess paint on an old paper towel right here. Now I'm going to go into some Prussian blue, a little darker blue I got. A little Prussian blue. And come right up in here. And let's just paint in this little sky right quick like. Yep, this is the way I do it. You know, I put in the Prussian blue because I want to have a big old cloud in this one, and I need that darker color to really show off that white cloud that I'm going to put up here. If it's all light blue and you put on a white paint, a cloud, you don't really show a whole lot. And this particular painting, I wanted to show a whole lot. Okay, there's that. Now, again, we're going to blend up, always up. And just let this go. Just let it go. Don't work this thing here to death, because eventually you'll have everything just one color. If you want that, that's fine. I do not want that in my sky. I like to have action in my sky. A little action. I just don't want no dull sky. So I got darker color, lighter color here. Got a lot of action in that, okay? There's that. Alright guys, I went ahead and painted in my ocean, you know, a little straight line here. What I used was a ruler. I just laid it up there and went ahead and painted that in. Or you can use a piece of tape. You know, as long as that straight edge, I mean, you might be able to do it freehanded. I can't. So I need either a ruler or a piece of tape going across there to give me a nice little straight edge that I need. Now then, I'm going to go ahead and miss this bottom part. Let's start working on this water here. Let's start working on the water here. Alright. This is the ocean green color. And I'm going to come right around in here. And I'm just going to do this number right here. And just work this back a little ocean green here. And I'm going to go right about there. And I'm going to come right into some phthalo green. Some nice little ocean colors here. Phthalo green now. Look at that. Ocean green here. Alright. Now I'm going to come back into that Prussian blue and just finish it up here. There it is. That a little bit more. There. And just lightly blend all these colors together. little blender right here. Maybe you miss it just a little bit more. Let it blend out pretty good here. There. Ocean. That's what it's all about here. Right. Let's go and put this sand in right now, okay? So we're just going to come right in through here and wet that a little bit. And much better. A lot easier with that little water, little spray bottle. The canvas is real dry. It will, it's kind of like, if you don't have that spray bottle, it's kind of like trying to spread cement, dry cement. It just ain't gonna work. You need it wet. This is just yellow ochre and some just yellow ochre and white mixed together. That's all there is to it. In some areas you want a little darker, you just come right in here, just plain old yellow ochre. Wherever you want it darker at, through here, maybe. Something like that. And we're done putting in the sand. Just that simple. That simple. Right, be right back. Alright guys, let's go ahead and make this wave here. And this is the little problem that I have. I guess I still need to practice with it, but maybe I can get it right. And I'm just going to come right here with some white paint and make the eye of the wave. I'm going to come down here and splash, and then come right up. And go right on out. And something like that. And it comes over something like this here. Something like that. And right here will be the eye of the wave. And might as well bring this all the way out here. Something like that. There. Now, alright, all this little paint raw through here is all dry. Of course, this is acrylic, so it's going to dry. So I got me some fresh phthalo green. I'm just going to scrub it right in here, right in this eye area. And just right here. Just let it come right on out. I'm going to touch just a touch, mind you, of some straight yellow, just some yellow. Come right up in here. Let's let this, try to get this thing to glow now. Get it to glow here. Some yellow. Ah, here it goes. It's glowing now. There. Get a nice little soft brush here. And let's just blend this out some. There's that. Get it to where you want it, and then leave it alone. Gotta leave it alone there. There's that. There we go. Right. put some foam, you know, around this the eye right here, and just with a little filbert brush, and just come right up in here. This is just a shadow color of the foam here. There's that. I'll wipe it off a little here. Now I'll come in there right here with some just fresh titanium whites. Come right up in here. And just put it in. Let the two blend here. And we'll blend all this out. No problem. Right in here with some fresh, some more white here. There's that. Let's see, I like to have a thing right here coming up right here. This thing just, it breaks right here. This big old splash right here. We got a monster wave going here now. Woo. There's that. Dry that off. Now let's come in with some pink stuff. Right here. Huh. I got a tsunami going on here. Woo. There. Now let's take a little soft little blender here and let's start blending all this before it gets dry on me. Don't overwork this, don't overwork it. You'll just have one color. Let all these little shadow areas work for you here. You did all this work, you know. Make it work for you. Come right out here. Right. I'm gonna get me a little fan brush. Excuse my head there. I'm trying to keep from going from clip to clip. You know, keep the camera rolling here. And so yeah, get a little wave going on here. A little wave. There it is. There, does it look like a wave at all? I hope so. There that is. Plus we got this white paint and this old brush here. Something like that. Like that. Again, all this is dry right through here, so let's go ahead and put some color. There's some green here, some blue. There. Now let's get this wave going here. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and start getting this right here coming. Look like there's another wave happening there. See that white is picking up all that Prussian blue and that phthalo green I got that I just put up under there. There. Over here. There we go. Just go ahead and make these little lines right here. Little water movements. And then a big old splash right here. Just hit it. Boom. Just hit it. Here comes another one. Bam. Just like that. Alright. A little color down here. A little color. That was some Prussian blue. Let's come back in here with some green. Phthalo green. There. Let's start working on the background here. Had some action back here somewhere. Be right back. Some little palette knife here. I'm going to make me some little waves that's kind of like coming up on the ocean here. I mean, up on the sand. And this thing is in my way. There's that. Straighten this out here. Let's have another one coming right through here. That. There we go. And let me get an old fan brush. And all we're going to do is just fan this back. Fan it back. There we go. Just like that. Then go ahead and get some Prussian blue and come right up underneath these little waves right here. It kind of gives it the impression that it's sitting up. Just like that. And, right. Now guys, I'm about to paint this old cloud up here now. Everything nice and dry up here. But before I do that, I'd like to chit chat with you a little bit. Give you a little trivia. You know, back in the day, there were some shows that I like to watch. One of them was the Andy Griffith Show, and the other one was the Little House on the Prairie. Yeah, but you know, it's good, clean fun. You know, it's a family shows. You know, you don't have to be 35 years old to watch those shows. Okay, there's nothing vulgar about those shows at all. You know, there's no age limit on those shows like there is now. But anyway, the Andy Griffith Show. Of course, you know, we got a little Opie there, and you know, the actor's real name, of course, was Ron Howard. And now, some of you might not know, is that Opie's real brother played in a few of those episodes. He was little Leon, you know, little kid walking around eating that sandwich, you know, with a little cowboy hat on. That was Opie's real brother. I believe his name Clint Howard. And also Opie's real father played in several episodes of that show. One of them was the episode, let's see, where, you know, it was Barney and the governor. He was the governor's chauffeur in that car, where Barney gave the governor a ticket. Well, gave the chauffeur a ticket because he parked his car in a no parking zone. If you recall that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go ahead and fast forward through this part here, all right? And another episode was the armored car, you know, the gold truck that came through. Well, he was one of them that was telling Andy about it, you know, the treasury people. But anyway, yeah. Now, several years ago, Ron Howard was talking about the show. He was talking about one of his favorite episodes, and it was the ball game. Now this episode, you know, the older ones were just in black and white, but the newer Andy Griffith, you know, they were in color. And this episode was in color. It was called the ball game, and the reason why it was one of his favorites because it actually happened. His real father went to by the town where they lived in, whatever, and asked him to be the umpire of that game. And that episode was based off of that, what it actually happened, according to Ron Howard now. Well, okay, you know, enough of Andy Griffith. Now let's jump over to Little House. Now, Little House, I'm just now here learning here recently that why I didn't pick up on it before, I don't know. That, you know, little Laura Ingalls, okay? I know you know who I'm talking about. If you don't know, you know, fine. Laura Ingalls and Willie Olson were actually, in real life, brother and sister. Can you believe that? And for some reason, I didn't catch that. Yeah, they're brother and sister. And also, Albert Ingalls and the little Garvey boy, Andy, brothers. Yeah, they were adopted by, you know, their parents. So they, you know, yeah, they're babies, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, they're brothers. I didn't know that either. You know, all these years I'm watching the show, didn't really catch it. And I just realized that they had the same last name. I cannot pronounce their name. You know, I had too many Y's and X's and Z's in their name, their last name. So I ain't going to try to pronounce that. So, but anyway, yeah, look it up. You know, a little trivia there I thought I'd share with you. But enough of that, enough of trivia. Let's get on with this painting. Right. And let me hit the camera off one more time. Be right back. I just had to see about the battery on my camera if I needed to swap it out, but I'm still good with it for right now. So I'm going to hold off on swapping that out. Got my old brush here. And like I said, it's going to be a big old cloud right here. And this is coming right down here. Something like this. I'm going to come up here somewheres. Maybe it's like this here. All the way down to the horizon. That's where I want this to go. Yep. I'm right up in here. Yeah, oh, big old cloud here now. Big old, leave that open. I kind of like that part where it's opened up like that. I don't like that for some reason. Something right here. Maybe come over here something. Just like that. Put a little more up to it there. There. And just leave it like that. Big old cloud. Now I'm going to come in here before it all dries on me. Just put it like a little Prussian blue right through here. Something like that. And a little brush here, and I'm going to blend that out before it all dries on me. Now this right here, it gives a little different shape, different little things going on in the cloud. A little dimension to it. There. Like that. I want to get this little, just fluff it up, these little hard little areas I like to get rid of. Clouds need to be nice and soft here, nice and soft. Make it so soft that a butterfly can fly right through it. There. There we go. Alright. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call this one finished. I might fiddle around a little bit with the wave here, but you guys got the most of it, I believe. And I hope this helped you out if you're doing seascapes. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, I don't know. To me, I'm still learning myself, on painting these little seascapes. But I really do hope you like this one. And if you just now see me, I hope you come back and subscribe to my channel for me. That'll help me out, keeping my videos going. And until next time, guys, you take care of yourselves and come back and see me.